Okay, so now let's look at selecting a VIN as an option instead of selecting the chassis based on the purchase order or the quote. So if we scroll back to the top of the screen and we change the quote to a POC, and then we scroll down, you'll see the conversion type stays the same, but now it gives us VIN options, which you're familiar with. So these are VIN options that will only be added in when you contact Julie or Trish at the office. They will add in the particular VIN that you're requesting, and then it will populate in the system. At this time, I've only populated one VIN just to get us started, and then Julie will add in additional VINs as needed. So if I select the drop-down, it'll either be Premium or Premium Plus, based on whether or not it's a 2500 VIN, which is attached to the Pioneer 2. Again, if I switch from Pioneer 2 to Elite, it will change the total conversion price and only give me options for selected EXT versions of our vehicle. So if I select the drop-down, here's a particular VIN for the 3500 Elite, populates with my price, and then your price is listed down below. Okay. If it is a Pioneer 2, it would then bounce back and then give me a 2500 premium. Then I can select the 2500 premium price that I need, and it will reflect the new price that's listed here. So there's your new price of your vehicle based on the add-ups that you've changed. Okay, so that shows you the difference between a chassis versus a VIN and a purchase order and a quote. So as you can see, the system is very smart. It's working and it's restricting what you have access to make sure that you're only selecting the correct information. Quotes are populating with chassis, purchase orders are populating with VINs, and then it's only giving you the available VINs that pertain to the type of ambulance that you're building, whether it's a Pioneer 2 or an Elite. So now that we're done with that, we'll go into the next section and show you how to start actually selecting options based on the type of options you need for your customer.